This video is in partnership with WW. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I have for you a clean with me video. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I'm wearing a really cozy set, getting ready to truly organize the apartment. I'm going to be really organizing and decluttering many areas in the apartment because I am finally going to be filming the apartment tour coming really soon after I film this video. The apartment is actually not that dirty since I cleaned during the weekend, but I'm still going to clean like normal and share with you guys some of the things that I like to do when I clean. So without further ado, let's start with the bedroom. I just finished making the bed and also cleaning the windows from the inside because today they were actually cleaning the windows from the outside for the first time since we moved. I've been waiting for this day since we moved because honestly, these windows are a blessing, but any little dust or scratch or like smudge, it shows. I'm just really glad that they finally cleaned it from the outside. Before I continue to clean, I want to take a little break to do some meditation and also feel a little bit more active by doing a quick yoga session with my WW app. So today's video is sponsored by WW. You guys know that I've been using and loving their app for about a month now. Basically, I just wanted to feel healthier and more active and just more aware of my wellness and learn how to balance it all at the same time, because honestly, with my personal brand, YouTube, social media, and just so many other things, I really struggle balancing my wellness, my well-being, and being active with every other task that has to get done. So WW basically has an app that has it all in one place and it helps you stay on top of things. Let me show you guys how I personally like to use it. So I use it in the morning where I track in my breakfast at first. This morning I had a parfait and black coffee, so I ended up writing it down. Let me show you guys. I ended up tracking it and I currently have 8 points left for lunch and dinner, which sounds like a little bit, but I have 0 point foods that I personally love and they have it right here for you to check it out. So my 0 point foods, I can choose from all of these options. They're all like different meals that basically count 0 points for me and my diet and what I'm going for. I've talked about this before, but I think I'm going to continue to mention it to you guys because it's honestly one of my favorite features from the app, and it's the fact that you can put in everything that you have on your fridge right here. So, you know, you just start writing whatever you have. For example, I have chicken, pasta, beans, broth, oranges, flour, artichoke, lemon, eggs, etc. And then it gives you recipes that you can make with everything that you already have on your fridge. So you don't necessarily have to go out and buy new things for a better lifestyle, better set. Now, since I know today is going to be a really hectic day and I won't have much time for wellness, I am going to do a little mindset session. They have a 5-minute coaching session with Dr. Allison and Headspace. I love Headspace and I love the fact that you can get use out of it on the WW app. I love using it for sleep meditation or sounds, but I'm going to do the take a break from Headspace now, which is 10 minutes. that alone felt so good. I'm not gonna lie. It just makes you feel so lifted and, I don't know, lightweight, if that's a word to describe when you meditate. I really love it. I love the fact that it has so many different options that you can choose from, and just different ones that you can listen to, like for example, help stress eating or outsmart boredom eating. You know, it just has different ones that you can listen to that will help you have a better relationship with food, and also just like, you know, more relaxed and at ease. Anyways, you guys, I do want to remind you to download the WW app and check it out if you haven't already. I'm going to link it below. I have gotten some really positive comments from you guys saying that you have been using it already and love it. They did give me a promo code for you guys, so if you use Nathalie10 at checkout, you'll get $10 off your WW membership. So make sure to use it ASAP and get your WW membership. With that being said, let's get back to cleaning because there's a lot to get done. I want to clean my TV because I'm staring at it right now, and honestly it has so many fingerprints. Don't ask me why, because I don't know why and how we have so many fingerprints in our TV. So I'm going to YouTube how to clean properly a TV because I know I can't just spray, you know, some window cleaner to it. By the way, this is one of my favorite window slash glass cleaners. It's called Casabella Infused. It's sold at Target. Basically buy this bottle and then you can buy separately the little pots in here and change it. So they have a lavender one for an all-purpose cleaner. They have a eucalyptus one for the bathroom, and also the glass and window cleaner, which is the blue one. But the bottle and the spray and the actual liquid inside, it's so good, especially for glass. One of my favorite glass cleaners ever, so highly recommend. I'm going to link it below, but let me quickly find out how to clean this TV. Alright, so I'm going to link below the video that I ended up finding and actually finding really helpful. But you basically just need a microfiber cloth and a spray bottle. Do not spray to the TV, but to the actual microfiber cloth, and then just wipe the TV that way. But I am now going to be cleaning the baseboards around the windows with a disinfecting spray, and yeah, going around the room. Alright, moving on to the bathroom in the bedroom, I am going to be fully decluttering the medicine cabinet, which, as you can see, I have so many products, and honestly there's so many products that I just don't use. And I'll also be decluttering and cleaning this right here, so let's get started with that. Alright, so I wanted to quickly mention the products that I personally like using, especially in the bathroom. This is the Dawn dish spray. It's meant for dishes, but I personally like using it for my shower, like the glass. I also like using that Rain-X afterwards, and the Infuse window glass cleaner that I mentioned earlier from Target. Absolutely love it. And of course, just, you know, a disinfecting spray. Just a quick side note, I don't normally clean with a sweatshirt and leggings. I usually clean the bathroom or shower when I'm about to go and take a shower, but for the purpose of the video, I'm doing it with clothes on. Onto the living room. I did have a bunch of laundry that I needed to fold, so that's what I'm doing now, and I am then going to just organize the living room. Alright, and same thing for the kitchen, just putting away some dishes, cleaning, and also setting up a new flower arrangement. Last but not least, I am going to vacuum and then follow it up by mopping the floor. I am not going to clean and organize my office because I'm making a totally separate video on that, so stay tuned for that. Alright, apartment is finally clean, just mopped all around. Honestly, no better feeling. Alright, so I'm going to end today's video here. I do want to remind you guys again to make sure to download and check out the WW app. Another amazing thing that I recently found out is that you can actually track as an activity cleaning the house. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to track my housework for the day, which it's been about 6 hours. I think it's 360 minutes, and that equals to 26 points. So just tracked it. I mean, it did feel like I was working out the entire time I was cleaning the house, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be linking everything down below that I mentioned in this video, and see you next time. Bye.